Tonight, another hoarding situation is on the horizon. First, it was toilet paper shortages that caused a scare. Shelves wiped clean of the essential product. Then gas stations across the southeast pumped dry. Desperate drivers paying premium to top off their tanks. And tonight, it's all about chicken. Signs are going up across the metro at grocery stores warning of a chicken shortage. Kroger stores now limiting customers. CBS 46's Jamie Kennedy has been speaking to customers about the hot new commodity everyone, Jamie, apparently wants to get their hands on.
Yeah, exactly, Sean. Everyone is out for that chicken, but when they are making their grocery list, they'll have to swipe it off or limit what they buy at places just like Kroger. As the Metro continues to deal with the fuel shortage, now people will have to contend with chicken shortages.
Oh, it's so much. It's at this point you can't even, pears could fall from the sky at this point. We don't know. Just expect the unexpected.
Many have taken to social media to express their shock and let others know that stores are limiting the amount of chicken customers can buy. Kroger posting signs metro-wide that only 5 fresh or frozen chicken products are now allowed.
It makes sense because people will hoard. They will buy deep freezers just to hold the chicken that they will hoard.
Tyson Chicken, one of the country's largest suppliers of poultry, says there are several reasons for the shortage, including their roosters underperforming, blaming it on the breed they chose. They also say the Texas cold snap that came through hurt production. Also, a rise in popularity of chicken sandwiches at fast food outlets contributing to the shortage. The exhausted public guessing what could possibly be next.
Chicken, I mean, the only thing that really goes with chicken is waffles. So
Waffle shortage. So wheat shortage, corn shortage.
yeah, exactly.
So oddly enough, here at Kroger, even though they've now put on this limit, you can see chicken is actually on special there, 88 cents a pound. So they want you to give you a special, but they want you to also limit what you buy. Now, I did reach out to Kroger and ask them about this shortage and limiting people and what they can buy. And they said that they do have a strong supply of poultry coming into the Atlanta area, but want to temporarily limit the amount people can buy to stop panic buying before it starts. Live in Atlanta, Jamie Kennedy, CBS 46 News.
Thank you, Jamie.